Hello, it's me again. Just recorded a complete video on what I'm going to go over now, and apparently the screen was just on me the whole time and you couldn't see what I was presenting. So this is take 2 of Back to School, Welcome to Reading, and the procedures in reading class. So let's see if it works again. Or not again, but see if it works. Okay, so I'm going to try and present. Let's see if I can present the window. Let's try this. Okay. All right, I have no idea what it looks like, what I'm sharing here, but we have the Back to School PowerPoint, which says Welcome to Reading. And there are several different slides. On each slide, it gives you a little bit of information about reading class. There's a video, and there's just different questions and prompts for you to read. The document that you are going to fill out is this sheet here, and you're just going to type your answers in the little blue boxes. So there are 14 questions for you to answer, and all of the questions are going to be able to be found in this PowerPoint. And the PowerPoint is also linked up here if you, for some reason, lost access to the PowerPoint. So it's pretty straightforward. Just helps us get through some of the nitty-gritty of reading class without having to spend a whole bunch of time in class going over things that you could essentially read on your own. If you have any questions or concerns, then you just need to let me know. It is important that you do go through that and you do understand the routine, because it talks about, where to go for a fire drill or where to go for a tornado. And so there's really important information in there that you need to know. And let's see if I can fix this. I'm gonna stop presenting. I don't know if you're looking at a black screen or what, but anyway, make sure that you go through that. There's really important information with fires, tornadoes, what the general routine is in reading. But again, we can just kind of speed up the process. You can take a couple minutes at home, read it at your own pace, and understand the procedures. So if you have any questions, let me know. Don't be afraid to reach out to me, email me anytime you have a question. I'm always here, so no problemo. All right, so I will see you next week. Remember, we've got map testing, so bring your headphones and your computer charged and your brain. Ciao.